Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set up the watch face with the custom image on this smart band, your band needs to be paired with the phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the Mi Fitness application on your phone. In the app, tap on the device icon. Wait until the band is done syncing with your phone. And once it's done, you can tap on Band Displays. Then tap on Online. Here, scroll down and find the Photos category, this one. And you can tap on the More option to open the whole category. And as you can see, we have different types of dials. We have like different styles. Select the one you like. For example, let's select this one. And now we can tap on the custom photo right here. Then when you tap on the custom photo, it will basically open the file browser or photo app, and it will allow you to select the photo you want to use as a watch face. I'm gonna select download folder, and here we have different photos. I'm gonna select one. And as you can see, now we can basically crop the image. So whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. And we can zoom in, zoom out, and move around. I'm gonna center it like this, then tap on continue. Here we have a preview of our home screen, and now we can tap on apply. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on our smart band. You can also select different styles, like I said. So for example, let's select this one this time. We can select photo, maybe this one, like this, then tap on continue, tap on apply. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can close the application if you want. And that's how you install or rather set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.